Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing a review of the Oculus Quest 2. So excited. Wait, the Meta Quest 2. Anyways guys, so it's going to be a very simple video. I'll just show you what's in the box and also what to expect when you first switch it on. I'm hoping I'll be able to cost the entire experience. I haven't tried it yet, but let's see how it goes. So I have to be honest, I am also drinking a glass of wine. Someone left the house wearing a rugby t-shirt and I'm pretty sure he's not coming back anytime soon. So I'm just having a party by myself. But anyways, let's get to the Oculus Quest 2. So it comes in this really big box. Ooh, heavy. It's really big, guys. I don't know. For me, yeah, I feel like in terms of packaging they could do a better job, but maybe because of the type of product it is they really can't. And this is how it looks like inside. There you go. So we have a couple of these and we had to get rid of the boxes and get some of these because guys, there is freaking no ways that you're going to keep this box and not have it look neat in the house. I just feel like it's just too bulky, but maybe for some people it's cool. I just don't think so. So I'm just going to show you how it looks like in the bag that you can buy. Honestly speaking, not neatly packed. That's because at some point I was busy charging all of them and yeah, I just quickly packed them away. But anyways, so yeah, so that's what you'll get. You obviously have your headset. So my first opinion when I unboxed this was that this is pretty cool, like compared to like the low end vibes that we've always had in the house. This is very nice. It feels good. It looks good. It looks like, top of the range kind of vibes. Well, at least it looked expensive. It looks like I'm going to get something like really dope out of it, So what you also get in the box is the hand controllers, which it's much better than the remote control. Yeah, so you also get the charger. It comes in inside this box here. So the reason these are still this charger is still like neatly packed is because we use other chargers, not this, because there's no need to unbox everything just because you have a few of these things. Yeah, and then it's got this I don't know what it's called, but if you wear spectacles you can just put this on the headset to protect your spectacles and the lens, of course, of the headset. And come back to the headset, so you've got a port here which you can use to connect your headphones if you want to experience that whole surround system vibes, and forget that the world exists basically. Yeah, so that's what you'd use this for. And then this is for your charging cable, also for your tethering cable, if I'm correct. I haven't bought I've been saying I'll buy the cable, but I honestly haven't. So so between the two, really, you'll use for tethering. Then you can control your volume up and down. This is how you power on, and it's got a light there to show you when the power is on, and also when your battery is running low. And of course you've got the two lenses which are adjustable. My setting currently is on a 2, but you can adjust it out to be on a 3, and then you can adjust it in. Oh, it's already on 1. I think I did it too much, but anyways, you get the gist, right? But yeah, so you basically, according to your eyes, how far apart they are and whatnot, you'd adjust so that you get a proper view, and it doesn't look jarred, and you don't see because usually like you'll see like the lenses if it's not properly set, if you don't have the right setting rather. Yeah, but I do know that some people do struggle still with getting the right setting. So it's something I guess that when it comes to the hardware design, over time it needs to improve. Yeah, and then you've got the head strap, so you can adjust it this way, and you can also adjust it like this, to make it tighter. We had a young guy, I think he was like 7, try this. It was honestly it was honestly very heavy for him. Like we wouldn't like be stable. Actually, we have the I forgot what it's called, but you have, man, hold on, let me get it. Okay. Whew. So it's called the Elite strap. I sort of remembered as I was going to fetch it. We haven't opened it as yet, and yeah, so we haven't even tried it really. But we bought it because we noticed that the young people, or the kids rather, some of them need it because it's not so comfortable around their heads. So that's why we bought this. Yeah, so basically, yeah, that's pretty much it. Now let's get to the part where I show you what to expect when you first put these babies on. For me, it was one of those moments like, oh my goodness, what is this? What? Yeah, it was a very exciting moment because I mean, I've always been on some, three low end vibes, so, and now I'm just like, oh, I've been bumped up the notch.